Hey folks, back at you again. We'll come back and do another video. So yeah, this article came out today. This is from Health Harvard Education. So basically this article is talking about how drugs recall are common. And I'm not too shocked about this because I have seen some occasion where medication do get recalled, but I find it funny what this article said. It said drugs recall are common. Does that mean that our medication are unsafe? They propose that, but what that's supposed to mean? If you got medicine in general being recalled because of a problem, especially a major problem, then yeah, I mean that's the way I see it. Of course, it's unsafe. You don't supposed to have no medicine on a recall. You can't expect your medicine to be on a recall and and and, and expect to be safe enough to take. That just ain't gonna happen. But let's get into this one. So scientific advance have brought us a score of new drug recent years in the U.S. One major agent, the FDA, is responsible for making sure that the drugs that are approved are safe and effective. Yet there were more than 14,000 drugs recalled in the last 10 years, according to the FDA status. Woo! Mm, my goodness. I'm gonna read that again. 14,000 drugs recalled in the last 10 years.
What's wrong with all of you?
The average out nearly 4 drugs recalled a day. Why are drugs recalled so common, and how can you maximum safe when taking these medicines you need? Okay, I okay. That number is my number to me. The FDA approved prescription drug and research show that the medicine is safe and effective. Usually the risks are well known by the time the approval is granted. For over-the-counter drug, the bar is low. Proof that they work is not required. Oh, wait a minute. You hear what this article saying, y'all?
Are you serious?
It's saying that over-the-counter drug, over-the-counter drugs, the bar is low. The proof that they work is not required. What do you mean? What you mean they don't have to prove that the medicine work is not required? All medicine should be required. You know what, y'all? You know what? If you want to know why people get sick when it comes to medicine, if you want to know why people get sick or perhaps die, this article just gave you your answer right there. In my opinion, this article just gave you the answer to that problem right there. Have these people that lost their mind? Go sit here talking about the over-the-counter medicine drugs that they work is not required. Uh, ooh, I can't believe I just read that. So basically, saying that the over-the-counter drug, you don't have to prove that the over-the-counter drug work is not required, but the FDA is still maintains oversight for safety. The FDA maybe maintain oversight for safety, but still, how much of safety are they actually taking? See, when I see stuff when they say the over-the-counter drugs, the bar is low, the proof that they work is not required. See, that's a major concern right there for me. I don't care if the FDA still maintain oversight of safety. How much of oversight of safety are they actually is doing? Ooh, you know what? These people need to be. Lord, let me go. Continue. We protecting yourself from damage of these chronic inflammation. Science has proven that the chronic low-grade inflammation can turn into a silent killer that contributes to cardiovascular disease, cancer, type 2, diabetes, and other conditions. Get simple tips to fight inflammation and stay healthy from Harvard Medical School experts. Where side effects may be missed in client trial, study leading to drug approval might have hundreds or thousands of study subjects, but a well problem may not be effective until tens of thousands of people have taken the drug. Okay, study subject tends to be. I'm not gonna load it up. I can. Can I see that? Wait a minute. Let me pull this. Okay. So study subjects tend to be healthier than the general population when you are trying to figure out if a drug works. The chance of success or higher and reliability of results is greater if the study subjects are healthy. Once the drug is approved and people could take it, may be older, less healthier, or taking multiple drugs for health issues. Problem doing or often manufactured can make a safe drug harmful. Example, including bacterial contamination, incorrect label, or improper storage. So if y'all know these things, according to what I read so far, before approaching this statement, this sentence in the article, y'all not doing a very good job. Y'all doing a poor job in this situation. If these are the things that contribute to the recall, y'all still after 10 years, y'all have not figured out how the person to deal with those problems yet. You know what? Some seriously wrong with y'all. Okay, let me go read some more of this. Bad behavior by the drug maker may affect drug safety. No kidding. For example, multiple over-the-counter supply may for male sexual performance what we call in recent years because they were lack of prescription drug of erectile dysfunction. Oh, okay. Or most drugs we call high risk. Okay. And fewer than in 10 posts of serious health risk. The FDA graded risk several for the recall as the following. Class Class 1 is dangerous and pose to serious health risk. A hand sanitizer contamination with um if this the hand sanitizer I'm thinking they talking about, if they talking about the hand sanitizer I think they talking about, I already done a video on that. I think I done a video on that. And I'll put the link to the description for those who may not see that video yet. But I think I done a video on a recall on hand sanitizer. Class 2 might cause a temporary or silent risk of serious harm. A diabetic medicine stored at the wrong temperature. Class 3 is unlikely to cause harm to health, but there is a violation of the FDA requirement and an appointment for dormitories in damaged tube. Between 80% and 9% of drugs we call are class 2. In 2022, 6% of the recall was Class 1 and 86% was Class 2 and 7% was Class 3. The FDA expects drug manufacturing materials every 2 to 3 years. The agent also tests thousands of drugs each year. Oh boy. We ain't done yet, y'all. We got some more information to find out. So there is no such thing as small strokes. Strokes are the fifth leading causes of death in the United States and significant cause of disabilities. Okay. Learn from the Harvard Medical School expert how to understand how your art or habits. Okay, okay. That's not part. Okay. Well, that's good to know, but okay, that's not what I thought. That's not what I thought it was. Okay. Problem with spotted during the inspection concern identified by drug maker or prob- problems reported by the patient or healthcare professionals can prompt a recall. The FDA then assign a risk classification, supervised action taken by the drug maker to remedy the problem and monitor the production the product to make sure the problem is eliminated. Well, obviously somebody ain't doing a good job in that area because you currently have medicine that kind of currently being recalled right now. And according to this article, this been going on for 10 years. I mean, how you, uh, let me go on. Drugs recall in the U.S. are almost always voluntary. Let's talk about that for a moment. What you mean they are always voluntary? No, you ought to call back drugs that are on recall in the first place. To try to keep serious, to try to keep certain events from happening. Am I involved? No, you ought to call back these drugs anyway. Come out of involuntary. I don't know what they mean. I don't know what they necessarily mean by that. But no, any serious drug that people have to take for a certain health condition, if there's a problem with that medicine, you should call those medicine back anyway. It shouldn't be nothing about no voluntary. You know the people can get somewhere sit down with that. That means the drug maker acknowledge the problem and take corrective action rather than wait for a possible mandate from the FDA. Here's some of the practice measures to take. Okay. So this part of the section of the article is telling you, basically it's telling you some of the things you can do to stay informed about your medicine. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put links to this up in the description anyway, so y'all can read that on your own time. So the new on drugs recall may inspire confidence. It might make you wonder if the drugs you are taking are safe in general. Good, that's a common reaction. Especially you got 14,000 drugs that thing we call over 10 years. Man, y'all need to be, I don't know what's wrong with y'all. The vast majority of medicine on the market have an excellent safe approval, but with more than 1,000 drugs we call every year, there's plenty of room for improvement by the drug maker and a good reason to encounter better regulation of the industry. So there you have it, y'all. I honestly don't know nothing else to say about this. This is absolutely. This is actually one of the most crazy things I ever heard. How these people actually allow? How y'all actually allow this mess to go on so long? I don't care what nobody say. The problem that we seeing regarding any recall, we should be seeing in the way we be seeing this certain fashion. I'm sorry, maybe that's just me, but I find all of this stuff very problematic. It is. It is highly problematic. Only thing I can say, y'all try to do the best y'all can to stay safe and try to stay away from harm's way if y'all can, because stuff like this right here is just unreal at times. It really is. But information like this really need to be brought to the forefront. And I hope a lot of people share this video, because this right here is shameful. This is shameful. There's no other way to put it. This is right here. It's too much. It really is. But y'all, just let me know what you feel about this. I mean, I know a lot of people take medicine. A lot of people who have relatives who take medicine. I really don't understand how people who deal with medicine, who make medicine, and the people who also in charge of keeping medicine safe, how you let this particular kind of stuff get out of control to the point where you have 14,000 medicine being recalled over the last 10 years. How you let that happen? Seriously, how do anybody? This is some crazy stuff, and this go back to a point I made before back in the past. We are slowly approaching a point that you're not going to be able to trust anything, period, anymore. Regarding medicine, regarding food, those are two things that being hit by now. But eventually, it's gonna be everything. This is absolutely devastation that the public is seriously out here dealing with this stuff. It really is. Like I said, I'll put the link to this offer in the description box. Like I said earlier, y'all tell me what y'all think, but this is shameful and it's pitiful. It's flat out pitiful. It really is. This is D-Lo. Come at you again with another information video, and I'm out. I'm gone.